Hello ladies, today we are here to do another look with a new palette. This is the Pinkcrush Cosmetics Metamorphosis palette. This is a brand new for me and I'm participating to a contest with this look because as you can see I have a full glittery lips, and this is for the all that glitters created by Concept on Instagram. So I didn't do anything on glittery on the eye just because I need to go out now, and while I can remove easily my glitter from the lips, I'm not so sure I could on the eye. So let's get started. First things first, we go applying our eyeshadow primer. This is from Fenty. I don't know if you can see how glittery my lips are. Look at this. Yeah. So let's start. I used just these three shades. The first one is called Exoskeleton. The second one I'm using is called Free Spirit, and the third one is called Flutter. So I started with this Nabla number Precision Soft Crease eyeshadow brush. Maybe we can come a little bit closer. And I'm applying this one to the crease just to deepen up the outer corner and the let's say the outer edge of my eye, just this way, blending as much as I can. I do not like this brush too much because you see, look, it bends. As soon as you push, it bends. It's not firm enough for me, for my preferences at least. Okay, I had a lot of glitter going around. Then with the Free Spirit, the purpley shade, I'm going onto the outer edge. This is an EOS indie brand. It's becoming more and more famous. I have put this palette in my chart, I think a few months ago, and I go ahead purchasing only recently, just because I don't know. You know, I will have the possibility to buy everything, but of course I can't. So that's why the only reason is that I can't buy everything, even though I'd like to. So this is the look is very easy, and other brush. The other brush with the Flutter shade. This is a very light lilac shade with some different reflects. It has some bluish, you see, bluish reflects. This is a very nice, stunning shade, actually. You see. Then I've used underneath my eye, I've used the black liner and this shade here called Blue Morph. So let's while on the upper, I've used this P. Louise Starry Eye Drop Duochrome Gel, and let me show you this one. This is also green and purple. So I will go ahead applying this one on my upper lid, and the blue, the purple, the blue and the black on the outer, on the lower lid. And my mascara is the Kiko in conjunction with the New Look Black Mamba. So I'll do these three things and be back. So let's go ahead with the blue. This is Blue Morpho, and I'm just applying with the pencil brush underneath my eye and trying to blend it into the black. Okay, so just let me adjust the look. I have a few fallout with this pencil brush. You see some bluish here. Okay, I think we're done. Let me show you my glittery lips. My glitters are from the Sapphire from BH Cosmetics. These are the glitters. I will add a little bit more for the picture. Oh yes, they are stunning. Okay, so this is the final look. Let's go a little bit back. My daughter gave me these hairpins with some glitter inside, but I think you would not see them. So I hope you enjoy. I've tried just 3 shades from the palette, so I could not say anything more from oh, I forgot to apply my mascara. So let's go ahead talking while I'm applying my mascara. I was saying that I've tried the palette just once, and I'm not in the position to say anything about the palette, but the shade I've used, they are performing very well. They are creamy, they are a beautiful color scheme. I think I will enjoy the palette so much actually. What do you think about? Have you ever heard about the brand? It's an indie US brand. I was saying it's an indie US brand, and she released 5 different palettes. The first one is the Metamorphosis, and then we have 4 other palettes released on the same day. If I have to be very honest, I think releasing 4 palettes in a day is a little bit too much for my preferences, at least, because I mean, if you'd like to add consumers to your shop, I think it's better to not release everything in a bunch. I don't know if this is making any sense to you. That's my preference, at least. So now the look is really finished. So I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. So see you soon. Bye guys. I felt your heavy breath.